Dan?
Well, I haven't updated my kernel. I've had 510 something. 510.
My kernels are fine, thank you.
Yeah.
Mine's at 510.8.
Hello and welcome back to a News and Nonsense. It's good to be back. I was sick for 2 weeks. It wasn't COVID. Flonase saved the day for me. Called my doctor. He says, just shoot some couple bursts up your nostrils and you'll be good. Hi, Ron, Dan, Joe, and Ben. Welcome. It's good to have you guys back. So, yeah, I wasn't feeling good for 2 weeks. Kind of depressed. I figured we would try and cheer ourselves up for this news and nonsense. So, here we go. I have some Ubuntu news. There is the beta version of Ubuntu 21.10. I actually took a look at it today. It's typical Ubuntu. It's boringly stable. What can I say? No, it looks good. Yeah, boringly stable, which means it's typical Ubuntu. It just works. From what I tested, it just works. So, yeah, no surprises there, which is good. Sometimes boring is good. So
we all need a little boring in our life.
Yeah, really. All right, let's move on. An escaped cat found after 3 weeks wandering around JFK Airport.
What?
It missed its flight down to Australia and it got lost. I think that was the problem. But
I guess so.
That's a lucky cat. Yeah, it's a cat that escaped from a carrier while being loaded onto an Italy-bound flight. Oh, hey, what's the matter? You lost your cat, Giuseppe. Hey. That's what it says. It was okay.
You forgot the family cat.
They found the cat. A non-profit animal rescue group in Long Island, run by Salvatore Fazio. Hey, he's Italian, of course. Anyway, I'm glad. I like cats. I'm glad the cat is safe. And throughout 3 weeks at an airport, it survived. Dang. Okay. 9 lives. Now the cat has 8 lives left. Right.
Airport has less mice too.
Ooh.
Okay.
Don't bank on that.
Okay. Let's see here. South Carolina firefighter charged with DUI after flipping a fire truck.
Oh, my God.
The rescuer becomes the rescued.
Oh, no.
There's a fire. Okay, let's go.
Hot toddies.
I'll put it out. Okay, all right. Wow.
He could be hitting up tamales for all we know.
Yeah, there's a picture of the truck that's literally upside down. Oops. Sorry, boss.
See Daisy.
Florida man accused of trying to trade a car to dealer he stole it from.
No way.
Only in Florida, right?
It says Florida.
That VIN number? Oh, we have one of those in stock. We're still looking for it.
Yeah, thank you for returning it. Let me call the police. I'll take. Oh man! Hey, car prices are too high, so people are going to try anything, right?
Where did his brain go? What is he, stupid?
Well, it's showing a Chrysler Dodge dealership, so it wasn't that much of a car anyway. But a bump up. Okay.
Oh, thank you.
Bump. You're welcome.
Somebody woke up on the stupid side of the bed.
Speaking of Florida, Florida man fed up with potholes plants banana tree in road in the pothole.
I like it.
They have potholes in Florida?
No, they usually don't. I lived there almost 10 years.
I mean, we get those up here. They grow like no tomorrow.
I guess where he lives, where's this at? Let me see. If there's Southwest Florida. Oh, around Fort Myers. I didn't live in Fort Myers. Fort Myers, fix your roads, man.
Yeah, no kidding. They must be cheap.
Anyway, there's a banana tree at the park. Okay. Honey, are you hungry? Hang on, I'll just pull up and just grab a drive-through banana here. And, Anyway, super pop group ABBA. Remember ABBA? Can you hear the drums?
Dancing Queen.
Dancing Queen. Mamma Mia. Anyway, they released a new album, or they are going to release it next month. They released 2 new songs after 40 years. I think I know why it took that long, because it took them that long to install Arch. So, anyway, one of the songs is I Still Have Faith in You. I read the lyrics. I still have faith in you, Linux. No, but it's just called I Still Have Faith in You. And the other song is "Don't Shut Me Down" or something. It sounds
Windows.
like right, yeah. Anyway, they sound like ABBA. They really haven't changed that much in the course of 40 years. Good for them. They still have the harmonies, the voices, the lyrics. So good for ABBA. I'm glad they're back. Yeah. My favorite song still is Fernando. Can you hear the drums, Fernando? Remember that song? La la la
Yes.
la la la. I like
I
Fernando.
think I have a copy of that.
There was something in the air that night after eating Taco Bell. La 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 la. No, that's a beautiful song. It's
Yeah, it is. It's ABBA's.
Can you hear the drums? Yeah. Anyway.
Yeah.
Sorry, yeah, but just making a
The
joke.
stage is waiting for you.
I love your music. Okay. Supermarket chain says Polish workers found cocaine in banana boxes.
Wow.
Yeah. So if they're selling lots of bananas, now we know why. Okay. Okay. What else do I have here? Wow, this really happened? Let me take a quick look at this. I guess it did. This happened in Boston. Boston High School forced to use party bus with stripper poles for the field trip.
What?
Oh my God.
And it's
That
the
is
party
sad.
bus.
That's heavy, man.
After the original, more traditional school bus fell through, teachers at the Brook Charter School were forced to improvise.
Oh no.
They had to borrow one from their night job.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a family show. I can't say anymore. Sorry, guys. But
Yeah.
they're saying the teacher said this highlights problems with the education system. I would have to agree. There is major problems.
Yeah.
But hey, when you're stuck, just grab some stripper poles and join the party ride.
Give them a new kind of education, yeah.
Wow. True story up in Boston.
Oh god.
Wow, I know if I want to go to a party, I know where to go. Real quick, anybody try Zorn OS 16?
No.
No, I think it was 15.
Jeez.
They're nice. Zoran looks nice.
Okay, all right.
Yeah, it does
All
look
right,
nice.
well, Zorin OS 16 is good. Try it. All right, on that note, I'm going to end the recording. Bye.
All right. See you guys.